Our digital services give you easier access to the railway, and you can trust us, as we guarantee that we'll handle the data generated with care. Let's take a real-life example. Elizabeth would like to visit her niece in Zurich. On SBB.ch, she checks the connections from Bern to Zurich and buys a SuperSaver ticket straight away. We save your online ticket purchases and evaluate your clicks on SBB.ch to make our website more relevant and easier to use. Each time you surf the internet, you leave traces, whether you use SBB or not. Some of your data is analyzed by large providers and used to decide what advertising to show you. We also use Google to run our digital advertising spaces, but don't pass on any customer data, only anonymous data. This means you see more relevant advertising. You can also deactivate advertising in the SBB mobile app very easily. On the train to Zurich, a passenger attendant checks Elizabeth's online ticket and half-fare travel card. When checking tickets, we only save the data we need to prevent misuse or to provide services after the journey. To enable you to travel by public transport without restrictions, we exchange data with other transport companies. When Elizabeth gets to Zurich, she decides to use a public bike for the last leg of the journey and can unlock it with her Swiss pass. We only pass on data to third parties if this is the only way a service can be provided. Your data will only be used for that specific purpose. On the way back to Bern, Elizabeth uses EasyRide. In Zurich, she checks in on the platform before boarding and checks out again when alighting in Bern. To use EasyRide, you have to activate location data for the SBB app on your smartphone so that the journey you make can be recorded. Your location data are only used to calculate the price or avoid misuse. These data are stored separately and safely. A few weeks after her journey, Elizabeth receives an email from SBB with a voucher for her next ticket purchase. Elizabeth wonders why she's received this email from SBB. She remembers she bought a SuperSaver ticket to Zurich a few weeks ago on SBB.ch. SBB saves your online ticket purchases and your clicks on SBB.ch and uses the data to improve its offers or for marketing purposes. You can opt out of receiving offers like this at any time. You also have the right to request information on the data that's processed, that the data can be corrected, that handling be reduced, or your data be deleted at any time. Of course, you can always choose to travel anonymously, without the collection of any personal data. More information regarding which elements of your data SBB has saved and how it handles them can be found at sbb.ch/en/data privacy.